So this is my garden now. It's July 6th. Sorry for the mess, but you can see a lot of stuff growing here. My collard greens, some kale. I got some cucumbers. This, I honestly don't know, squash or a melon, something. My peppers are, these are actually just staying pretty small, so give them some fertilizer. We'll see how they do. My eggplant, another cucumber here, eggplant. My cucumbers, I actually got a few cucumbers grown. Let me take a look. Let's see. Just can't really find them. Good, you can see they're in there. Eggplants. These, again, I don't know. One little watermelon here in front. I don't know whether these are squash or melons, but I'll find out soon enough. Some basils. I also don't know what that one in that plant is back. Maybe another type of basil, or I'm not sure. A tomato, and then some more watermelons here. Some weeds, excuse those, I haven't picked them, and these tomatoes are getting huge and bushy, but that's what it is. My stripper beans are my pole beans, excuse me. Something is eating my pole beans up from the root. You see, this one is, it's not going to be in here long, but something has eaten it up from the root. This was my biggest stream bean plant, and it's now about to die. You can see I was really climbing up this trellis that I made not too long ago. Few beans. All these other holes are beans that have been eaten alive by something. I don't know what yet. My okra is getting pretty nice. I just moved one from here across the way because they were getting pretty clustered. And my corn is growing even taller than I thought. I don't know how tall this corn is, but you can see 5'2", so what would you say? Maybe 8 feet tall. But that's it for July 6th. My garden is on its way.